Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to get a 2 weeks free trials on Super Duolingo. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first open your Duolingo app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in, head over to the shop at the top of the screen. This is where you will find all the in-app purchase and subscription option, and this promo will pop up. Super Duolingo. It is usually highlighted with the benefits like no ads, unlimited hearts, and progress tracking. Tap on 2 weeks for free. On the next screen, you will see the option to start your 2 weeks free trials for just $0. So just tap on try 2 weeks for free. And most importantly, they will also remind you before your trial ends. So just proceed. You will be promoted to confirm your subscription through your app store. But don't worry, you won't be able to charge during the trial period. But also remember, if you don't want to continue with the subscription, make sure to cancel it before the 2 weeks to avoid being charged. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and good luck.